located in Newcomb in Talbot County on the mouth of Oak Creek to Miles River. This facility is operated by Talbot County Parks and Recreation. A renovation of this facility was completed in 2012. There is a concrete boat ramp that is 33 feet wide and 62 feet long with an ADA-accessible aluminum floating boarding pier. There are two fixed piers. One is 140 feet long. The second is 250 feet long. There are 18 contracted boat slips. There is a soft launch area for kayaks and canoes. The parking lot has 18 car spaces, 5 ADA and 18 trailer spaces, 2 ADA. There is an ADA-accessible portable bathroom facility and a marine pump-out station. There is also a small waterfront park with benches. The boat ramp is open from 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. A Talbot County landing permit is required for all vehicles towing boat trailers. Enjoy your time at Oak Creek Landing.